Welcome back to Popular Gadget Items. In today's video, we're reviewing the top 5 best fuel system cleaners of 2025. These powerful additives help clean fuel injectors, restore lost engine performance, improve acceleration, and boost fuel economy. Whether you drive a car, truck, or motorcycle, these cleaners can make a noticeable difference in engine efficiency. Stay tuned as we break down their features, benefits, and why they're worth adding to your maintenance routine. Number 5. Today, I'm reviewing the Lucas Oil Deep Clean Fuel System Cleaner, a compact but powerful 5.25-ounce solution designed to improve your vehicle's performance from the inside out. Lucas Oil is a trusted brand in automotive maintenance, and this liquid cleaner continues that reputation with an all-purpose formula that's cruelty-free and safe for regular use. This product is vehicle-specific, meaning it's engineered to work effectively across a wide range of engines. With a volume of 155 milliliters, it delivers deep-penetrating cleaning action meant to remove carbon deposits, clean fuel injectors, and help restore lost power. The cleaner comes in a lightweight package, just 0.159 kilograms, and is made in the United States, which many users appreciate for its consistent quality. The real value of this cleaner shines through user experience. One reviewer mentioned that using it every 10 tanks helps keep injectors spraying properly and carburetors clean. Another user noted an immediate improvement after their mechanic recommended its smoother engine performance and better fuel mileage were observed right away. With a flash point of 68 degrees Celsius, it's safe to store, and while the legal disclaimer reminds us this isn't a dietary product, its purpose is clear: deliver a cleaner, more efficient fuel system. If you're looking to maintain engine health without complicated procedures, Lucas Oil Deep Clean is a simple, effective, and affordable solution worth adding to your routine. Number 4. Today's review features Hot Shot's Secret Gasoline Extreme, a concentrated fuel system cleaner designed to restore engine performance, improve fuel economy, and clean your engine from the inside out. This liquid formula targets every part of your fuel system: valves, injectors, pumps, pistons, rings, and upper cylinders, ensuring a thorough and complete cleaning that many drivers overlook. Formulated with powerful PA technology, Gasoline Extreme dissolves gum, varnish, and stubborn carbon deposits that build up over time. The results are noticeable: smoother idling, stronger acceleration, and restored engine power. One of its biggest selling points is fuel efficiency. When used correctly, drivers can see up to a 7.9% improvement in MPG, translating to real savings at the pump. Using it is easy. Simply pour the 12-ounce bottle into your tank every 10,000 miles or per 20 gallons of gasoline. It's designed to fix common issues like rough running, clogged injectors, and power loss, all in a single treatment. Hot Shot Secret also emphasizes rigorous engineering, ensuring only the most effective formulas carry their name. User experiences back up these claims. One reviewer compared it to the well-known 44K cleaner and found Gasoline Extreme even better, restoring performance on a high-mileage engine. Another user with a 2020 Nissan praised its strong cleaning power and noticeable acceleration improvement. Overall, Gasoline Extreme is a powerful, science-backed, and cost-effective fuel system cleaner that delivers impressive real-world results. Number 3. Today, we're reviewing the Gumout 51013W6PK Fuel System Cleaner, a highly effective maintenance solution designed specifically for engines with over 75,000 miles. This formula targets stubborn carbon buildup by cleaning fuel injectors, intake valves, and ports, helping restore engine power, smooth acceleration, and improved fuel economy. What makes this 6-pack especially valuable is the convenience: enough product for consistent treatments and long-term engine care. Gumout's formula doesn't just clean, it also helps prevent future carbon buildup, which means fewer performance issues down the road. It's oxygen sensor safe and fully compatible with turbocharged and supercharged engines, giving peace of mind and ensuring it won't void your vehicle's warranty. Real user experiences reinforce its effectiveness. One reviewer shared how smooth their car felt after using it, along with noticeable MPG improvements. They loved the simplicity, just pour it in and let the cleaner do the work, and found the 6-pack economical for routine use. Another user referenced an independent test by YouTube expert Scotty Kilmer, who inspected engine cylinders before and after 2 tanks treated with gum out. The difference was clear: reduced carbon deposits and cleaner cylinder walls. They now use the product every 3 to 4K miles and report factory like idle and acceleration. With proven results, trusted testing, and a strong reputation, the Gumout 510013 is a top-tier choice for keeping high-mileage engines running like new. Number 2. Today's review focuses on the Gumout 51001 4Regain Complete Fuel System Cleaner, now upgraded with their innovative Carbon Clear technology. This new formula combines powerful PEA, PBA, and a patented detergent blend, giving it stronger cleaning ability than older PEA-only versions. The 3 cleaning agents work together to deeply remove carbon deposits throughout the system, helping restore lost performance and fuel efficiency. This cleaner is designed to fight ethanol and water corrosion, a common issue in modern fuel systems. It also conditions fuel to help protect and extend the life of essential engine components. With just one treatment, drivers can experience smoother acceleration, improved MPG, and more responsive performance. Plus, the product is universal fit and safe for all engines. It will not void your manufacturer's warranty. The value pack 6-bottle format makes it easy to maintain a consistent cleaning routine, especially for high-mileage vehicles. User feedback highlights both the quality and the convenience. One customer praised the packaging, noting that the bottles were double-boxed with 0 leaks. Another reviewer said their engine ran noticeably smoother and more efficiently, emphasizing how easy it is to use. Just pour it in and let it work. They found the 6-pack ideal for ongoing maintenance and highly recommended it for improving fuel economy and long-term engine health. Overall, the Gumout Regain Complete Cleaner delivers powerful, science-backed results for anyone looking to keep their engine performing at its best. Number 1. Today, we're taking a look at the Chevron Fuel System Cleaner, a trusted liquid additive designed to clean, restore, and protect your entire fuel system. This formula targets key components such as fuel injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and combustion chambers, helping to eliminate carbon buildup and improve engine efficiency. Chevron recommends using it every 3,000 miles or at your next oil change for cars and trucks, while motorcycles, boats, RVs, and other gasoline engines can use it as needed. This cleaner is engineered to restore lost power, fuel economy, and acceleration, as well as improve the accuracy of your fuel gauge sensor. Drivers also benefit from reduced engine hesitation, fewer rough idles, and minimized spark plug fouling. Chevron's formula even boosts cold start performance and enhances fuel stability for up to 1 year, making it ideal for vehicles that sit and use for long periods. Real user feedback paints a clear picture of its effectiveness. One reviewer reported a jump from 16 miles per gallon to 19 miles per gallon after using the cleaner, along with smoother engine sound and better throttle response. Another user tested it on a pre-owned RAV4 hybrid and saw a 2 miles per gallon increase after just 1 tank, plus improved acceleration. With strong results, decades of trust, and broad compatibility, the Chevron Fuel System Cleaner remains one of the most dependable ways to keep your fuel system clean and your engine performing at its best. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this Top 5 Fuel System Cleaners 2025 review, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive tips and product reviews. Drop a comment below and let us know which fuel system cleaner you use or plan to try. Keep your engine running smooth, fuel efficient, and powerful, and we'll see you in the next video.